Hello, this is Jeremy Porritt, and this is Lab 14. Thought I'd give it a try. My student ID is 101367286. Here I have the two planets going around each other. You can enable them or disable them. That just enables or disables whether or not they're going to be affected by each other. So I can turn up the mass, and when I turn up the mass, that's when the they start moving with each other. So as you can see, the fireball is moving towards the plane because it has a heavier mass now. The greater the mass, the more the pull. So if I turn it super high, it'll just like fly off the screen. But if I turn it very low, then it has a very slow pull. And then I can turn it off completely, and then just the plane is following the sun, except when you, obviously if you uncheck it, then it stops doing anything. As you can see, you turn it up a little bit, they'll start to orbit each other. I'll just reset this until it fixes itself. There we go. So now they're going to orbit each other, or at least the plane will orbit the sun a little bit. And if I increase the plane mass, the sun will get pulled towards it. They'll spin. It does work a bit better with the wind resistance and rigid bodies, so if I make this 0.98, oops. They are a bit more comprehensible. They don't fly off the screen as easily, but, you know, in space they don't have that. So, just going to show you how I did it. These two are the same, just whether or not they're the second object of the first one. So first I get the distance. I use util distance to get the distance between each other. Then I get a scale distance, so that's depending on how much mass there is. It will have a greater reach. Here, I'll just show this thing. So if I turn up the mass here, I'll reset them. So you can see it's a little bit cleaner for the orbiting. But obviously they go right next to each other after that, so yeah. And that gets crazy. But anyways, we'll continue here. Speed is just mass. I didn't really want to change it, and it seems to work fine like that. And then it calculates the angle between each other, so angle between the two vectors. And using this equation right here, as well as if they are within the range, so scale distance, then it will enable this if statement, and that allows it to get the velocity applied towards the direction of the other planet. And yeah, that's everything. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.